A brave young explorer stepped from the ship. Wonder danced in his eyes. Before him lay a world bursting with colors, waiting to be discovered. Curiosity pulled them forward. Together, they wandered deeper into the lush unknown, hearts pounding with excitement. A flicker of light caught their attention. They approached a shimmering cave, its warm glow inviting them into the shadows. He was a gentle giant, waiting patiently. "I've hoped for your arrival," he said with a grin. "A boy from Earth has been lost here for too long." "We must find him," the girl exclaimed, her heart racing. Together, they followed their new friend deeper into the luminous caverns. Suddenly, the cave trembled like a giant waking from a dream. Panic crept in as the walls started to close around them. A riddle appeared, challenging their minds. Time ticked away as they hurried to solve it, hearts thumping in rhythm with the walls. With all his might, the gentle beast held steady. His courage shone bright, revealing strength in the face of danger. Ideas flowed like magic. Working together, they found the answer hidden within their hearts and minds, a burst of inspiration lighting up the cave. The riddle's answer revealed a hidden path. Adventure awaited just beyond the glow, and they plunged into the mystery. There he was, a bright spirit embraced by the wonders of this land. Joyful laughter filled the air as they rushed to him. Together, they boarded the ship, hearts full and spirits bright. They knew now that friendship could traverse the universe, connecting worlds beyond imagination.